Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to get a Capital One virtual card. This is a fantastic way to shop safely online, allowing you to protect your financial information while making purchases. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Capital One account. First, head over to the Capital One website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to the virtual card section. Once you're logged in, look for the option related to virtual cards. This might be listed under the Account Management section or in the Rewards and Benefits tab. Depending on your specific Capital One card, it may be represented as Virtual Card Numbers or Shop Safe. Step 3. Request a virtual card. Click on the option to create a new virtual card. Read through the terms and conditions, then click Accept or Continue. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security code sent to your phone or email. Step 4. Generate your virtual card number. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to generate a unique virtual card number. This number is linked to your physical card but provides an extra layer of security. Make sure to also note down the expiration date and CVV code associated with your virtual card. Step 5. Use your virtual card for online shopping. Now you can use your new virtual card number for online purchases. Simply enter the virtual card details at checkout instead of your actual credit card information. This helps keep your financial information safe and reduces the risk of fraud. Step 6. Monitor your transactions. After using your virtual card, keep an eye on your transactions through your Capital One account. This will ensure that you are aware of any purchases made using your virtual card and will help you spot any unauthorized charges quickly. To recap, getting a Capital One virtual card is a straightforward process that enhances your online shopping safety. Log into your account, navigate to the virtual card section, request a card, generate a number, and enjoy secure online shopping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.